Are you absolutely exhausted by that monthly scramble to remember your utility bill due dates? You know the feeling, frantically checking your email, wondering if you missed a payment. Well, what if you could completely eliminate late fees, save time, and guarantee your power stays on without ever having to think about it again? Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Today, we're going to completely simplify your life by mastering exactly how to set up Autopay for your Duke Energy bill.
And right off the bat, I want to show you why this is about way more than just convenience. Setting up Autopay isn't just a time saver, it can literally put cash back in your pocket. In select regions, just maintaining an active bank or card draft profile can qualify you for a 5% discount on your entire bill. Let's put that into perspective. If you've got higher seasonal bills, say you're averaging around $300 a month in the summer, that 5% discount translates to projected annual savings of about $180, just for automating your payment.
These core advantages tackle a massive pain point for all of us, the mental load of remembering our bills. By activating Autopay, you automatically dodge those annoying late fees, you ensure uninterrupted service, and, like we just talked about, you might just unlock a nice little discount. It's essentially the ultimate financial life hack for Duke Energy's 8.2 million customers across the country.
To get you set up perfectly today, here is our roadmap. We'll start with how Autopay actually interacts with Duke Energy, then move into a step-by-step setup guide. After that, we'll troubleshoot some common issues, dive into the security protecting your data, explore some extra features to maximize your account, and finally, wrap everything up with clear next steps. Section 1. Autopay and Duke Energy. The power of automation. Now, before you even turn this feature on, there is a totally crucial first step. You need to clean the slate and settle any active balances on your account right now. Doing this prevents unexpected bank overdrafts or nasty non-sufficient funds fees. And here's the kicker. Once you do enroll, it's not immediate. You have to bridge this transition period safely. You literally must keep paying your bill manually each month until your physical or electronic statement explicitly prints this exact message. Your payment is scheduled to be made by monthly automatic draft. Once you see those exact words, you're officially on autopilot.
Section 2, Step-by-Step Setup Guide, Web Portal versus Phone Setup.
You actually have two completely different paths for turning on automated billing, and choosing the right one is incredibly important. Let's look at the self-service online portal first. It's very clean, very procedural. You just log in using your registered email, which, by the way, is a new requirement due to recent security upgrades. Then you navigate over to Billing or My Billing and Payment and select Autopay. From there, you just punch in your 9-digit routing and bank account numbers. Oh, and if you're a business administrator, you've got a virtually identical dashboard path to configure this for corporate accounts.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how these two methods actually process your money behind the scenes. The web portal defaults to what's called a fixed dollar framework. That means if energy rates change, or say you blast the AC all summer, the portal just keeps drafting your preset dollar amount. That can easily leave you with an unpaid residual balance and sudden late fees. But if you use the telephonic setup line, you get a cycle-adjusted draft. This dynamically connects to the active billing system to match your exact invoice total every single month, totally eliminating the risk of underpayment. Plus, the phone line actually lets you pick a custom draft date to perfectly match your payday, without even needing a smart meter.
When you look at the directory data, the winning strategy becomes incredibly clear. You absolutely want to direct your setup through the specialist line at 1-833-442-7583. Why? Well, the automated IVR line charges a 2.75% convenience fee for card payments, but the specialist line agent, they can set up your cycle-adjusted auto drafts using any of 8 payment methods, including credit and debit cards, with a flat $0 fee. Zero. And any manual payments processed here post in about 22 seconds.
Section 3. Fixing common Autopay issues, avoiding the traps. As amazing as automation is, even the very best systems have hidden traps that we need to know how to navigate. The single biggest trap out there is what the industry calls silent card expiration. Here's how it happens. You use a debit or credit card, and your bank issues you a new one with a fresh expiration date or CVV. Suddenly, your old profile becomes invalid. When the next draft runs, it fails downstream at the payment gateway. The billing system doesn't always send an immediate alert, so your payment just drops, totally silently. You might literally not know until a past due notice arrives in the mail weeks later. So imagine you missed that notice in the mail. Suddenly, you're facing a service disconnection, all because of a silent failure you didn't even know happened. What is your fastest, safest way out of this highly stressful scenario?
You use the 22-second rescue. First, take a deep breath. Duke Energy gives you a standard 20-day grace period past the due date. Second, you call that specialist line at 1-833-442-7583. When you make an emergency payment with them, it posts in about 22 seconds and instantly cancels any active disconnect orders. Listen to me on this one. Do not use the web portal to fix a disconnection threat. Portal-based card payments can take 24 to 48 hours to fully post, which can dangerously delay getting your service turned back on.
Section 4. Security and privacy facts. Protecting your data.
Look, anytime we talk about handing over banking or card details, whether it's online or over the phone, it's totally natural to have hesitations. So if you choose to configure your recurring payments through the web portal, you should know your stored banking credentials are locked down using 128-bit encryption. The platform also uses adaptive multi-factor authentication, including support for biometric logins, like your fingerprint or facial recognition. It ensures your digital profile is tightly secured against unauthorized access.
So, the crucial point is this. If you opt for the phone route, the security is handled a bit differently but is just as robust. When you process a payment over the phone using the specialist line, it relies entirely on single-use transactions. Your sensitive payment details are processed and then immediately deleted from the system. They aren't stored anywhere on a server, giving you an incredibly secure alternative if you prefer not to leave your card data floating around online.
Section 5. Extra features and tips. Maximize your account.
Let's explore how you can combine Autopay with other Duke Energy programs for maximum control and savings. First up, a massive warning if you use budget billing. The annual budget billing plan divides your projected costs into 12 equal monthly payments. Sounds great, right? But in month 12, there's a settle-up reconciliation based on your actual energy consumption for the year. If you owe a balance and Autopay is active, the system will automatically try to draft the entire settle-up amount in one huge transaction. To survive month 12 without draining your checking account, check your statement, temporarily pause your Autopay, and call support to request an installment plan before the due date hits.
And this brilliantly illustrates why you need real-time feedback on your account. You can completely neutralize the threat of those silent card expirations by pairing your Autopay with payment confirmations. It's so easy. Just register for text alerts by messaging the short code 57812. You'll get an instant ping on your phone the very second a draft posts, letting you spot a failure immediately, way before any late fees can even think about accruing.
Here's a fantastic insider tip for you. If you are moving, your Autopay does not follow you. Duke Energy actually ties your automated billing configurations directly to the physical meter ID at your house, not your personal digital profile. If you move across town, you must schedule your service transfer 5 days in advance, and then you absolutely have to manually re-enroll in Autopay at the new address. If you forget this step, you'll definitely miss your first bill at the new place.
Section 6. Conclusion and next steps. Take control. Let's move to and see how this builds into a really actionable plan for you. Your final takeaways are super clear. Make sure you check if you're eligible to leverage that 5% discount. For the most robust, completely underpayment-proof setup, skip the web portal and use the cycle-adjusted phone setup at 1-833-442-7583. Keep an eagle eye on month 12 if you are on budget billing, and absolutely enable those SMS alerts so you never have to wonder if a payment went through.
Taking just 10 short minutes today to set this up correctly will save you hours of stress and potentially hundreds of dollars over the next year. So let me ask you, are you ready to simplify your life and put your utility bill on autopilot? Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. I really hope this structured guide gives you the exact blueprint you need to take absolute control of your billing. If you found this helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments or drop any questions you might still have down below. Just remember that all this information is accurate as of the date of recording, August 25th, 2026, so always verify current procedures, phone numbers, and fees directly with Duke Energy, as policies can and do update over time. Until next time, stay focused and keep learning.